Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, Gorshaimer Habas, Salam Alaikum. Okay, so let me share my screen, and today is lecture number 12, and we are going to complete the business partner side, and then we have Ravi. Are you going to show the demo of a purchase info record? Is it a plan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So once I complete that, then we will have a demo of a purchase info record starting today. We'll do that, and then tomorrow's class will be long. We have decided that it will be in two parts. The first part is definitely we start at 10 a.m. tomorrow, 10 to let's say 10 to 11:30. Then we take a break, like a 1 hour break we take, and then we come back again at 12:30, and then we continue till 2 p.m. So we divide that into two parts, so it will be easy for all of us to take a break and do that. If you miss the second part, don't worry, was the recording in YouTube. But if you are available, please join. And so this is how we will keep doing from tomorrow onwards. Both Saturday and Sunday class will be in two parts, 10 to 11:30, and then 12:30 to 2. And unless I have something in the morning, as today I had the podcast to conduct. So if it is a podcast, I do it on Saturday morning. Otherwise, you will have that schedule. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to do at 10 o'clock, and we are going to complete tomorrow purchase info record, source list, quota arrangement. We're going to do all that. So tomorrow our master data will be complete. Yeah, so that's why the purpose of making this effort is tomorrow master data is complete, so that on Monday class and Wednesday class we are going to start the transaction side, is which is the RFQ, PO, and different types of PO and all that thing. Okay, so we can be in the on schedule. Okay, so now having said that, let me go back where we were in the last class. And if you all remember this screen, okay, you can see my screen, all good. And I'm going to minimize this one here. Okay, so you can see my screen, all good here. And we have done the configuration of the business partner. You can watch this recording. This is lecture number 11. I have explained. So we were here at the define business partner roles. As you see here, the roles can be general data, financial data. This is the standard BP roles from SAP, but you can copy them and create your own roles also. So this is general data, this is company code, financial data here, and then purchasing. This is the most important for us, which is the consultant has to configure this. So this is the one. And then if we do the one, as I explained here, if one entity or one organization is playing both the roles of a customer and a vendor, then you need to also create a customer data and then assign it to the same business partner. You see, the same business partner can play both the roles of customer and a vendor. You don't have to. So in SAP S/4HANA, there is no separate customer master data and vendor master data. There is only one master data where all three are connected. Okay, which is known as CVI integration, which we will study more. This business partner connected to customer and to vendor. Okay, so let's go back to the BP roles here. And I have here, see, this is the account group, and this is the number range. We have done all that. Okay, let's go to the BP roles. Okay, so I'm going to follow the steps, and I'm going to share with you all so that you also can follow the same steps. Okay, so here we have, I will save that in the Google Drive. So define BP roles. Where are we going? We will go here to the this is a report BUT 100, which is a very good report to see that let me go back here. And okay, let me use that the one we have Nabia has configured, so we can see Nabia's data. Okay, so this is always be comfortable in using the tables SE16N, and the three tables you need to remember for this is let me just write it down here so you remember the table side here. Let me write it down here. Tables. I'm not using nowadays that whole writing pad and also because I feel like this is much cleaner notes for all of you, and I will save this file in the Google Drive for all of you. So the three tables you all have to remember is BUT 000 for now let me just do it here so you all remember from here. Um, so BUT 000 for seeing the journal data. So you can go with this table. Okay, and then to see the company code data, then you have the company code and these all this data. You have the table is BUT uh, BUT 100. This is the table for the roles. Yeah, BUT 100 is the table for the role. So let me write down here because then it is confusing there. BUT 000 is general, and BUT 100 is for roles, and BUT 020 is for the address. Yeah. Okay, so this is the one where you can see each business partner has how many roles here. So if I go back to here and I say I want to see BUT 100, then you see here, and I run this data here. You see here the business partner and then the BP role. So how I know if I see that this particular business partner number 11, you see this one, you see this this 11, the business partner number 11 has how many roles it has? It has three roles. Yeah, three roles here. Yeah, you see that 0 0, the the vendor data. 0 1 is the no, 0 0 is the company code data. 0 1 is the vendor purchasing, and then CU is the customer. So this is where you can see that business partner number is same, then but it has different roles here. Yeah, that's what I am showing you here, is that one business partner connected to customer and vendor, and then 0 1 is the purchasing, and 0 0 is the company, which is the financial data. So if you see here exactly, you can see that in the table that business partner 11 has these three roles. Okay, you all understood that? Okay, and if you go here and look into that business partner 11, how has been done, go to the transaction BP, that is your end user level, and then go into the divide that business partner, and then you type the business partner number 11. Yeah, you have this here, business partner number 11, and you see business partner 11, and it is somebody created that. If you open that 11 here, and you will see that this is the business partner number 11. And if you go back to the table and say, hey, but what is the 0 0 is it's FLVN 0 0, FLVN 0 1. So if you go here and see what is my 0 0, my 0 0 is a company code, 0 1 is my purchasing data. So you know that. Now you come here and you see the roles here, you can select the multiple roles. So you can go FLVN 0 1. How you know which one I have to select? So many of those um, uh, uh, so many of those roles are here. You say, how I know which one to select? Business partner number 11, I ran this table, this report BUT 100, and I exactly know for this business partner the roles are here. Everybody understood? When you configure it, then your roles should also come here. Okay, whatever you configure, you can come in this table and see whether it is configured correctly or not. Okay, so now I know this is the role FLVN 1. You go back to that table here, purchasing data, and then you come here click on the purchasing side, and you can see the purchasing organization assigned is this FFC01. So he has done good configuration. The another one is the financial data. You go back here and see, hey, where is my financial data? And the financial data is FLVN00, this one. So you go here and then you select FLVN00, this one. Okay, and then you go to the company code, because financial data is connected to the company code. Yeah, so company code data, and which company code is connected to this one? These are two company codes connected, ML01 and FFC. You see, currently it is showing this, but what he has done, he has created this business partner, this vendor data, and he has extended to two different company codes. Okay, everybody understood? And you can do the same thing for the purchasing organization also, and to the company code also. You got that? So we will do that. So you got that thing. Now the third role he has created is this one, the customer one, which is ZSCU01. Yeah, this is CU is the customer side. So he copied the standard one. What is the SAP provided standard customer role? This one, FLCU000 is the SAP provided, but he has copied that and created. No, he has created one more. So he has two of those customers, you see. So under the 11, he has this also, standard also, and then he has this also. Two of the customers he has created. Okay, so let's see this one first, FLCU00. If you go back here and then you drop down and select the FLCU00, this one, see, customer is written here. So as soon as you select this, what it will show here, it will show you the company code data here, you know, and then which is ETM data. And what is the other role he has created? ZSCU01. Let me see that one. ZSCU01. Can you see that ZSCU01? No, I don't see that ZSCU01. No, I don't see. Okay, so this is the customer related data you see here, and this is the ETM data we have here. Okay, so this is more of the sales and distribution module. You are not responsible for that. Your responsibility is as a sourcing and procurement is the vendor related data you have. Yeah. No, not this one, 01. This one. That's your data, purchasing data. We need to go through each one of these one and understand that. Okay, let's go now to, this is a recap. Let's go now to the configuration side of it. And we were here in the define BP roles. Let's start from here. Okay, define BP roles. Let me go here and do the SPRO. Okay, SPRO, and now we are defining the BP roles. So where should we go? Cross application components, and then SAP business partner, SAP business partner, SAP business partner is this one, and then basic settings is then we have business partner, this one, then basic settings, and then we have business partner roles, this one, and then define BP role, this one. Yeah. Okay, so define BP roles. I think I showed you in the last lecture also. Here you are defining the roles. Yeah, the standard one is already available. The standard one, I told you that these are the standard. FLCU for customer, FLVN01 for the company code finance data, and FLVN01 is for the purchasing. You don't have to create these one. These are already created. If you want to create a new, for example, FLVN01, and you want to create a client specific, so what you do is that you find that FLVN01 like that, you see, and then you take this and then you say, okay, I want to create a new one, then copy as, and then you change this to whatever you want the name to be. For example, if I say, you know, I want TLVN01. This is TI, just to remember my name here. So TIVN01. I can create like that. Yeah, and then I can create the my name here, so I remember this is, I created it. So this is how it is easy to create a BP role. Yeah, you can just create a BP role, or you can use the existing ones available. Yeah, see, it is copied, created. See, TIVN01, I just created row. You can create, or you don't have to create, you can use the standard one. If you save it, then it's going to ask for this one. Always write down that what you have just done. Yeah, you have created created uh, BP row. Okay, just make sure that if somebody check all the transport requests, it shows what you have done. Okay, so okay, good. You got the BP. We have defined the BP role here, and then in terms of the one we are following for Nabiha, what Nabiha has done. Let me see. The Nabiha has created the roles. Nabiha, I'm using your data. Okay, so your data is okay. So your data is BP number is 110043. You did that one, and then you have uh, the vendor number is also same. So vendor number is also same. So you have BP and vendor done, and then you have the roles you have is you have FLVN00, and then you have another one is INDS01. Yeah, Nabiya, आपका, huh? So this is purchasing.
No, no, sir.
No sir.
FLVN01.
अच्छा,
FLVN01
तो आपने
for
जो एक्सेल
purchasing.
एक्सेल ओ FLVN01, अच्छा ये ऊपर वाले का है, ये सही सही सही, ये उसका है शायद उर्फा का। तो ये जो है आपका आपका जो है वो यू हैव यूज स्टैंडर्ड वन, या FLVN 01 for the purchasing, and for the company code you have used this one. Yeah, you have used standard one. Okay, and for the general is the same one you have used, which is the standard 000. Yeah. Okay, so this is what general. Okay, so then if you see this, just go here, format cells, and then go to the text, and then do this, and then type here. Okay, so this is how she has done. So now we have defined the role, and now let's keep going and doing the next step is, what is after that? Define number range for grouping. Okay, this is very important step to understand this side here. So this is done. Yes, now we have number 6, define number range for BP grouping. Yeah. So you see that we have we have the vendor account group, and then we have a BP grouping. You remember, we have an account group and we have a BP grouping. Yeah. So um, so you have a defined number range for account for BP grouping, and then number 7. Let's do 6 and 7 together. Then only you will understand. Define BP grouping and assign number range. Okay, so now you see that this is the BP grouping, this is a vendor account group. We have understood what the account group means here, and now we are going in the BP grouping side, which is the more of the role side. Yeah, and now if you want all these to have the same numbers, see, you want customer, business partner, vendor to have the same number, like you see here, so what you will do that the if you want the numbers to be generated the same, so if you go here, where is that guy gone? Here you see, yeah, this is the business partner. Let me run another one. I want to see the another table here before I say that. SC16N. I want to see this table. BUT. Sorry. Zero zero zero. Okay, see here you have the business partner, and then you have the grouping here. This is what I'm telling you. This is the grouping you have. Anything else you have here? Okay, so you have the grouping here, and then you have what else is important here? Okay, perfect. So this is what I was trying to see, that you have the business partner and you have the grouping here. Okay. So if you use the same grouping, then you can have the same number range assigned to it. So when it generates the vendor number, it will use the same number for business partner and vendor. So you don't have two different numbers coming in. So when you are here and you are going back here and saying BP, you see, so you are saying, hey, business partner is 11. If I drop down, and I go here and I select supplier number, you see, and I type 11 here. See, the supplier number 11 is business partner number 31. You see, supplier number 11 is business partner number 31. Yeah. If I go here and I see the 31, here you see this one. This is 31. Yeah. So that's a 31 here. Yeah. So if you see here, the number range assigned uh, uh, to the business partner account group and the BP grouping are different. That's why the number came here are different. As a Nabiya, you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In your case, what is the number you have? Let me try your number. Your number is 110043. Yeah. Agree?
Yes. Yes.
This one is number. Yeah. 110043. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. See what Nabiya has done, that her supplier number is same as the business partner number. Okay. You see? That's why. Why? Because she has assigned the same number range to both of them. As a Nabiya, is it true? Yeah. You
Yes.
have.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have assigned the same number range to both of them. So if we go to 11103, yeah, in the BP grouping here, you see here, this is the grouping. So if we go here and we find the 110043, इधर है 110043. 110043 किधर गया? 11. It's 110043. Okay, नीचे है. One. Why your number is not showing here? 110043 is not here. Navia, did you check it? Business partner number 110043. Vendor purchasing data. नबिया की आवाज नहीं आ रही। जो है 111 assigned 3. Okay. So the number here is the see, this is important that the business partner number and the vendor number you can check from here. They both are same. Yeah, this is very important. Are they same or not? How you will check? Go to the general data and the vendor general data. Okay. ठीक है नबिया? You understood?
Yes, sir.
And account group is this one. Yeah, this is the account group NG00. Okay. अच्छा, ये अफीफा और नबिया जो है ना, रबिया ये क्लास में घबरा जाते हैं। वो सोचते हैं अरे बाप रे क्या हो गया। कुछ नहीं हुआ है। Okay, so now you know that the reason the business partner and the vendor number have the same number, and same thing we can do for the customer also, is because we have assigned the same number range to the account group and the BP grouping. Okay, and we will check that. So here it's NG00 is the account group. So we will go here and see that define vendor account group. This is yours one, yeah. Okay, so vendor account group, let me take that one, account group NG00, and then we can see in the NG00 what is the number range assigned to the NG00. Okay, ये वाला कहाँ से आ गया था 28 वाला नबिया? This was not yours. Did you attended the last class? No,
Yes, sir.
you didn't say anything. This is not your vendor group or what? Huh?
28, sir.
Huh?
It's, no, sir. It's not mine.
But you didn't say yes in the last class. Yeah, this is not mine. Hmm? Okay. So, so be attentive in the class. Huh? That's how you will learn. And don't be scared of me. Okay, I'm like that. You will learn from me. Okay. So so now we go and check NG00. What is the number assigned? So how you will check that assign number range? So we go to the we can have a T code also to go directly, which is OBAS. Instead of going through the path, we can check through the T code also. So I will use it for to save the time and show you OBAS. Yeah, OBAS. If you go here, and then you can see your account number, the vendor account group you have here, which is NG00. Yeah, NG00. You go here, and then you find that account group here, NG00, and see that NG00, the number range assigned is NS. What number range is assigned? NS is assigned. Okay, so this is the one I was looking for. This is the okay. So this is the number range assigned to the to NG00. Okay, and then what is your BP grouping, Nabia? You remember in your configuration what is your BP grouping you have done?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now you know that this is the number range, and we can see NS. What is the NS number range? And we can go back here /n xkn1, and we can go here, and then we see the number range NS. The number range NS. The number range in business partner configuration is the most complicated. Why? Because you want to make sure that the business partner, customer, and vendor, they all have the same number range. You have to configure that. Or if you want to have a different number range, whatever the client says, but you need to know how to manage that. And if it is not same, you need to help the client do that. Yeah, the configuration. That's why. And it was not in ECC. So if you're coming from ECC, this is a new stuff for you. So you need to learn the new stuff. Okay. So anybody watching the recording, make sure you don't jump. Slowly learn. Okay. So this is the NS number range here. So what is the NS number range here? This is this one to here, and currently we are 0 to 4. If we create another vendor, then it will be 0 to 5. Okay. So that's the one we have. यही बनाया था नबिया. This is the one you used. NS, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before the class, whatever the class is, both for you and Afifa. Okay. Before the class, practice your stuff, whatever you have done. Okay. And be prepared for the class. Then only you will learn. And then you have confidence in the class also. Huh? Otherwise, you'll be so scared whole 2 hours. Don't know what sir will ask me, whether I will know or not know. Huh? Then it's not good. Okay. So now you know that uh, so you got the NG00, and this is the number range NS, and you know exactly the number range is 0 to 4. If we create another one, it will become 0 to 5. Okay, so NS is the one, and we go here and then we sign here NS. Okay. Okay, and then we see the BP roles created. Uh, is you have the same BP roles created here. Okay, so we got the BP roles done. Now we are doing these two: define number range in BP grouping and define BP grouping and assign number range. Okay, so we have to do the BP grouping, and because we want the same number for both business partner and vendor, as you see here, so we will assign the same number range NS to this also. Define BP grouping and assign number range. Okay, so we will go define number range. Will not define a new number range. We will use the existing number range NS. ऐसा ही है ना भैया? We use the existing number range NS. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then we will go here, and then we will we'll do the define BP grouping and assign this number range. Okay, so let's do it together. Go back here. And I'm going to use it this one, I think. Yeah, let me use this one. Let me go back. So define a number range for grouping, and we go to the same place, SPRO, and then we have cross application component, business partner, all that thing. I'm going with that. There's a T code also, BUCF, but let's go slowly from here. And then business partner, then we have business partner, and then basic settings, this one, and then we have number range and grouping, define number range, this one. Yeah, this one. See, this is groupings, and that was account group. So you can easily see this is a BP grouping. Yeah, and that was an account group. So difference. Okay, so here you have, and then you have this define number range. Yeah, so you can go here, and we already have defined it. Our number range is what? NS. Yeah, so you can see here NS. Yeah, NS. JKLMN. JKLMN. I go pick you up. Okay, MN here. So where is my NS here? MMO. Huh?
Someone deleted, I think.
Ooh, someone deleted it. That's not good. Someone deleted it here. NA, NB, NJ, NK, NM, NR. See, NS is not here. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so let's do here. Change. So we have here. So we need to go ahead. So we can add here. Okay, insert three intervals. It should be showing here. Oh, this is the free interval available. I'm not using that. I want to use the same interval which we have available. Yeah. So let's insert the line here. Hmm, change number status. One second, go back here. Okay, then we have free intervals. No, I want to insert it. Delete line. Status. Now this is the one. Okay, perfect. So I want to go with NS. ठीक है Navia? I want to go with NS, yeah?
Yes.
And the NS is, what is the NS you have here? Somebody deleted that NS. This one here. Okay, this is the NS you have. 3 and then 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros, yeah? 3 and 5 zeros, yeah? This one.
Yes.
Okay, so 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here we have 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ऐसा ही है ना NS number range.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so then we save this guy. Okay, so overlap with 22. Somebody has overlapped it. Okay, but now it should be available. Let's see, NS is there now. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Yeah, NS is there. Yeah, you see, it was there. So always, Navia, and Afifa, before the class, you both should check the data. Huh? You see, you saw
Yes,
that
sir.
Ravia's message always. Yeah, it's both of you. Yeah, you're a student. Yeah, you have to work hard. Work hard, then only you will learn. Huh? So okay, so then you should have done all that before the class for me. Saying, sir, this is deleted. I'm making it for you. All that is ready now. I tested it. Everything is good. Like all that thing. This is known as a proactive student. Yeah, agree?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this is the one we created it. You save it here. Okay, okay, okay. So it's saving. Yeah, this overlaps with the 22. Where is this 22 guy giving us headache? Where is this 22 guy? 22. See, this is exactly the overlap going on here. Yeah. So what happened is that if an overlap is going on, somebody will delete we delete somebody else. This is sandbox. This is the headache going on. Agree? Everybody understood now? Yeah. Like somebody created this and he deleted ours. We came and we deleted this and we created ours. This is sandbox. Always we know that this is going to happen. If this guy comes, he's going to delete ours and then do that one. Okay. See, is not going to do that. So I'm going to do this for now. Okay, so initial is not there. So let me see if it's not going to allow me for now. Let me see. Save the data first. Okay, it allowed, at least it allowed. Okay, but there is an overlap there. Overlap means the confusion. Never happened this in the project, because overlap means that you have the same number going to different places. Yeah. Um, so that's not good. You need to have different numbers of the document, different document numbers. Yeah. So for the sandbox, it's okay. But in the real project, never have this problem. Never, never. Okay. This is the bad. Okay. So now you have seen me done this part, which is BP role we have done. We have defined the number range. We have done define BP grouping and assign the number range. Okay, we are doing here define BP grouping and assign the number range. We go back to the same place. We are already there now, which is this place here. Okay, and then we have define grouping and assign number range. This one, you see. So we go here. Yeah, and then we find our BP grouping and the number range. Yeah, you see the number range here, and we can see that BP grouping and the number range. Yeah, did you create the same name of the BP grouping, Nabiya? NG00.
Sir, I don't remember. Just
Okay. Okay, so you have the G's one, and what you did is that you put the number range as 15 here. Yeah, you see, number is 15. So you put the same number range. Okay, you put the same number range, NS. Hmm? Understood? BP grouping, and we are assigning the same
same.
number range. Yeah. Okay, let me. रवि, मुझे लगता है ना, ये 1 महीने के बाद दोनों लड़कियां चली जाएंगी, फिर मैं अकेला जो है अपने आप से बात करूं। रवि,
Sir, you can do everything on your own. We know this.
ऐसे ही मुझे लग रहा है।
Don't worry, Tasif. I will be
हाँ?
there.
वो ऐसे ही होता, वो एक स्टूडेंट थी, उसको इतने नाम लिया ना, वो घबरा गई, वो चली गई। तो बोले भाई पकड़ो तुम अपना, पीरी मुरीदी वाला हाल हो जाता है। कह, भाई तुम्हारे जो है। Chalo, okay, so now you understood why I am having the same number range to the BP grouping also, and to the account group also, so that it generates the same number for a partner, business partner, and vendor supplier number. Yeah, so you see that I got this one. So now define BP grouping and assign number range. And what was the BP grouping? BP grouping is also same. See, NG00. So you remember now that, hey, नबी यही बनाया था, NG00 बनाया था। याद आया?
Yes, sir.
Very good, याद आ गया। So this is you got it. Okay, so now you see why we will get the same number, because we have the account group and the number range is same here, and then the BP grouping and the number range is same here. Yeah, so that's how you know exactly. Is we are not doing this because this comes under the part of sales and distribution module. We will create later when we are in the third party process and in the intercompany transfer STO. We'll create this. For now we are just focusing on this because this is your core. Okay, but in the third party and STO we'll do this, create another one here which is for the customer. Okay, so you got that. Now define what else we have here now. Okay, then we have this is the most important one, which is the master data synchronization. Okay, this is a define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. Yeah, that's number 8. Let me see what it is known as in the my other side of it. I will share all my documents. It's not tough. I just follow the steps what I am following using the document. You can also follow the same steps and you will be also good. So master data, but understanding is important. So understand all these steps. So now you have created synchronization. Okay. So what you are doing now, you account group and BP grouping, you want to synchronize these. Yeah. You have to synchronize the business partner with the vendor. Yeah. You want to synchronize that one. Yeah. For now, we are not doing this one, so don't focus and say, "Sir, aapne bola, you said, and then you didn't do it." So don't uh, don't. Okay, I'm keeping it like that so you remember that this is the one we are doing, this is the one we will do it later. Okay, so master data synchronization is important. We need to synchronize, and how we will synchronize it, let's do that now. It's you go to the go, where you go. Okay, let's go back here. Yeah, what is that? Oh, it's not allowing me to enter that. Oh, it's not allowing me to enter the NS here. Interesting. Okay, so that's why somebody has changed it whole thing here. Okay, that's okay. Go with that. We'll come back to this. We'll create our own BP. We'll create our own thing, and then we go to the synchronization step. So it is where component, again going to the same one, cross application component, then SAP business partner, then master data synchronization. Where is that guy gone? Master data synchronization. This guy, master data synchronization. You need to synchronize that business partner and vendor. Yeah. And then also the customer, all the three, if you have created the customer. Otherwise, currently we are doing the synchronization, business partner and vendor. You see this one, customer vendor integration, that one. Then here we have business partner settings, this one. Okay. Then we have settings for vendor. See, there are two different, vendor integration and customer integration, two different. Always remember, master data synchronization, you have to do two of those. One for your this synchronization here, and the second one you are doing this one. Yeah, once you create this guy, you want to connect to the same business partner, then you do synchronize here. So that's why you see here there are two separate steps here. One is for the settings for vendor integration, settings for, so currently we are here, vendor, okay, vendor integration. Then you will go here and then you go assign keys. This guy is assign keys. And then you have here define number assignment for BP2 vendor. You see, define number assignment for direction BP2 vendor. Yeah, this is where now BP2 vendor. So now you know the direction also. We are doing the direction from BP to vendor. That's the one, not vendor to BP. Okay, we are doing from here to here. Okay, just remember that. So you have first one from BP to vendor. Okay. So now you see here. So this is your BP grouping and this is your account group. You see, you got both of them here, BP grouping and account group. So if you remember what we have done here, we got the account group. Yeah, you got the account group here. And you got the BP grouping here. Yeah. And what you're doing, you're synchronizing these. Yeah, you're synchronizing this one. Okay. So now you go back here. So you see here, what is the number? NG00. You see, BP grouping and account group NG00, you same. And you here you have to do same numbers. What are you doing here? Same numbers. Yeah, very important. Number, yeah, that's the problem. You see why this error is coming, Rabia?
Yes, sir.
Why this error is coming, number range for this and this, because there's two different number range currently. Yeah, we are unable to assign the same number range. The number range for this one is 15. Yeah, we tried to enter an NS here, but it didn't accepted it. You saw the error came there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we need to have the same number range NS here also, but somebody has deleted it and entered this, and somebody created a number range with 15, and so it messed up there. So we need to clean up that part. Yeah, but somebody did that. So that's why ideally what we have to do, we have to assign the same number range NS here also. Yes, in the BP grouping, and then we come here and we say same number. When we say same number, because we have already configured it with the same number range, NS and NS. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now we cannot do it because now it is NS and 15. Problem. Yeah. I tried to put NS there also, but it's not accepting for now. Yeah, because of the somebody changed the whole thing and deleted it and took the number range what we have assigned here. They took it from there and assigned to this guy. Yeah, 15. So they messed up here. So
Sir, so we have to define again number ranges.
yes, you have to define another number range which is available, freely available, and assign it to here and assign it to here, same number range. Okay, agree? It assigns
Yes.
same. And then when you come to synchronization, then you can say same number. Very important. Same number. Currently, I'm unable to do it because the number range is different. But when you are assigned the same number range to account group here, and account and the BP grouping here, the both of them are assigned the same number range. Then what are you doing? You are synchronizing the account group with the account with the BP grouping with the same number. Everybody understood? Synchronization part.
Yes, sir.
Very important. Yeah, this is the very important step. See, nobody has done the same number range. Yeah, you see, nobody has done the same number. Yeah. So if you go back here and you say and G00. Yeah, see NG00, you see, okay. So if I go back here, okay, forget that for now. Just I want to show you the okay. So this is the defined number range. Let's go back to the okay. So assign number range to OBAS. Let me go back here slash n OBAS. Okay, this is the number range in the account group, and we have what is our this account group NG00. Currently NS is assigned. Yeah, this is the NS is assigned. Okay, so let's go here and um, and then we go to the SPRO and we go to the define number range XKN1. Let's go directly to XKN1 slash n XKN1. Okay, and then let's find here the free intervals. Okay, and then we have here okay, and then we have these are the number ranges we have. So if I take the number range, you see here the NR status is 0. You see, nine five six zero zero 9599. See this AJ number range? Yeah. If I take AJ number range 956, I'm not trying to create waste time, but I'm trying to use it the one 95999. I took it out this external. I want to make it internal. It's not used. So if I take this guy, the AJ, okay. So I use the AJ and then I come here and then I go to the assign number range part, OBAS, and I go to the NG00 and I give here AJ. You see, Rabia, what I'm doing? Yeah, I'm trying to use the another one for both AJ. Okay, so I assigned AJ here. Okay, now I'm going to the other side of it, which is the one which is have SPRO, the BP grouping side. SPRO cross component, cross application component, and then we have cross business partner, SAP business partner. Then we have a business partner. Okay, basic settings, number range and grouping. Okay, define number range here. Okay, Okay, do you have that number range AJ? Okay, this is the AJ we have here, you see. But the AJ here is something else, you see. That's the problem. The AJ here is something else, not the same as the other one. You have the AJ there, yeah. So then it is not good to assign the same number. We have to have a number range which is available on both sides and it's unique. I don't have that one here. So you cannot use AJ for both sides. Okay, you understood. I will check the other one in the next class. Maybe tomorrow I will show you to find a number range which I can assign to both and it's available. Here it is not available. Okay, so if I do that on my own time and tomorrow I will show you, then we go back to the synchronization part, which is where is the synchronization side we have seen business partner, master data synchronization, and then we have where is that one? Yeah, customer vendor, this one, and then we have what else we had here. Then we have business partner settings and this one. Okay, and then we have assign keys, and then this one from BP to vendor, that guy here. Yeah, so here you can currently I am unable to do because I have to find a number range which I can assign to both group and grouping. For now, you see they are synchronized, yes, but they cannot have the same number. But once I assign the same number range, then I can do the same number. Okay, Nabia, you understood?
Yes.
Can you do it for me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now I'm not doing it, but Nabia can do that, assign the same number range for this one and for this one, and then she will come here and check mark this one and save it. Okay, Nabia, that's the homework for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now we have synchronized it. So let's continue after this. Now we are okay. Now we are in the up to here we have configured and we have done this part, all good. So this is the core. Now what we have the so-called partner functions. Anybody remember, Nabia, what is partner function?
Sir, VN.
ये वही वाली बात हो गई जो कल तुम हंस रही थी नबिया उसके लिए, अफीफा के लिए. What is tea? Hot water, 5 minutes. ऐसी था ना? Hot water, tea,
Sir,
5 minutes.
customer and as a customer and as a vendor relationship.
As a customer, as a vendor, we already have the roles here. Yeah, see, Rabia, that we have the roles as a customer, as a vendor. You see this one? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So partner functions is when you say that yes, this is my vendor, yeah, but the vendor can also have many other supporting organizations, like this is my sold to party. Yeah, you remember that we did that in this is my ship to party. Yeah, agree?
Yes,
This
sir.
is my
Vendor grouping.
yeah, this is they are all known as partner functions because even though it is a one vendor, yeah, it's a one vendor, but this vendor has you saying that, hey, if I have to what will be my ship to address, you say that send a PO to me, yeah, but I have a 3PL who is taking care of the ship to. Agree? This is not my company. This is the ship to. Agree? So I'm going to send that to here and you will receive a shipment from this ship to party. Agree? And then I have outsourced the whole invoicing to another company. Yeah. And they are going to do all the invoicing for me. You understood how it can possible? Yeah.
Yes,
Even
sir.
though even though it is a one company, but behind there are many companies who are working for this one company. Yeah. And this
Sir,
and sold.
Getting services from outside the
Exactly. Out. That's why it is known as partner function. What is partner? Is a partner to this particular entity. Agree? You see
yes, sir.
the word
Sir,
partner. Yeah. Yes.
sir, I have one question.
Please, please.
The
Yes.
ship, yeah, the ship to party, sold to party, all this comes under mostly in the customer relationship. Okay.
Hmm.
But when you are going to purchase, that time also it will come.
Yeah. Okay. Ship to can be. Let me see. Ship to is definitely for the customer because you are shipping to the customer. Yeah. So here it will be ship from. Yeah. Okay, Srinivas. Yeah. Shift from party. Yeah, the 3P is a shift from party. Yeah, and you're right. When you are creating a customer role, when you're creating a customer role, that time your business partner function will be shift to party. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Very good. Very good point. Good point. See, that's why I want you in the class, Srinivas. I miss you. You know, because you.
Yeah, because I a little bit busy with
Okay.
my other work. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. No problem. Is Vishwa in the class? Vishwa and Srinivas comes all the time. I like that. And Mushfik also. Mushfik, you are in the class?
Yes.
Okay. You enjoying the class? This is a little technical, but it is the
Yes.
core of the consulting we do in front of the customer, yeah, and the client. And most of the consultant struggle in this area. They don't struggle in material master. They struggle in this area. Yeah. Okay. So now you know that what is partner functions. And Nabiya, you're clear now with the partner functions? Nabiya जानने वाली है. चलो ठीक है. Okay. Okay, now good. We are good now. Here, let's go back and we create the so you remember Rabia, you remember that when we go into what is the PO ME23N? Yeah. You remember here? This one, partners. Is it? The partner functions come here. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it? The partner function come here. Yeah. So from where is this partner function come? If you have a partner, then it will show up here. Yeah. The partner functions. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Srinivas, you remember that? The partner
Yes,
function.
sir. Yes.
Yeah. That it is connected in the purchase order because this supplier can have partner functions. Yeah. You need to have that.
Yes.
It
Yes,
pulls
sir.
from
Yes.
it pulls. So all this data comes from the business partner. Inco comes from the business partner. Partner functions come from the business partner. So we need to know this is the front end, which is the main screen of the sourcing and procurement module. Is this one. ME23N, the display, yeah, or ME21, whatever the create. But all those what we are creating, you need to think about how they are coming and connecting to this screen and where they are connecting. Yeah, like it's coming here.
Yes.
This is all coming from vendor master. This is coming from vendor master. This is coming from vendor master. This will be the message determination part. Address is also from the vendor master. Yeah, so you need to know. All this is from your own plant address. From where is the address coming in? Yeah, you see, this is the address you have. Is it the Srinivas, is it the supplier address or the plant address? This one.
It is a supplier address, sir.
Exactly. This is the supplier address. The delivery address is here. You see,
Yes.
the delivery
Yes.
is I think the delivery details are here. You see, delivery is casual delivery. Yes. You see, so that's the delivery address is here. You see, that's the delivery address at the item level. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You can say, hey, I want this item to deliver here. I want another item to deliver in another place. That's why the delivery address is at the item level. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because you can have this item goes to one plant, then another item goes to another plant, another item goes to another plant. You can have multiple items going to another different plants. And then that's why you can never have a delivery address at the header. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you can have the address of the supplier as at the header level, because it's all going to the same supplier. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And see 110043 New York, blah blah, and you come here, and then you have this this one here. BU2 address one is 020. If you want to check the address, yeah, and then you come here, and then is it going to find for me 110043?
Sir, better to keep filters.
Oh yeah, better do the filter. Yeah, not this guy. This guy is the header. Okay, let's do the filter and do the filter here. Okay. Okay. You find the filter 110043. That is not here. Interesting. What is that guy here? Why that guy is not here? Street house number, New York. Why that guy is not here? No, that is not there, Srinivas. That number is not there. See, address numbers are here. So that's an address number. So no, I should not use the address number. I should use that, but that is BUT. Why is not coming? SC16, and it should come because that's a table for address. So the business partner number is 110043. Maybe somebody deleted it. That's the problem. 110043. Okay, you got that. Good. Okay, address number is this one. So we need to configure address, and then this is the address number. And we go back here, and you have this address number 110043. Okay, let's go back here, and then you 110043. Okay, the address is here. Very good. Let's go back to this side here, which is here 110043, and check the address here. Okay. Okay, what is this address here, Srinivas? You see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, exactly same
Yes,
address. Yeah. So this
Yes,
is
yes,
where
sir.
the address is coming from, the vendor master data to the supplier header. It's exactly, see, 110001 New York. Yeah, and we have this address sitting in the business partner under the address general data. Under the general data, you see that it is coming here. Yeah, this is the address coming
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's keep going. And where we were in the partner side. Yeah, so let's go to the partner side. Here is the partner data. Yeah, and then here you see partner functions. Yeah, that's what we are
Yes, sir.
trying to do. The partner functions we are trying to do the partner. You see, order, OA, ordering address, vendor, delivering plant, invoicing party, blah blah. Yeah, this is all you see. This is the partner functions created and assigned to this one. Yeah, created and assigned to this one. Yeah. Okay, this is what we are learning now, is how to create and how to assign. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go and learn this part. But everybody understood what are the partner functions? Why? What is the meaning of ordering address, delivering plant, blah blah blah? Is because this is where one vendor can have multiple partners working for them, working for the company. Okay, so now let's go back here. Okay, so now you have so you need to do So you have a partner function and a partner schema. Two words there: partner function and partner schema. Okay, partner schema is a. You remember, Rabia? You remember that pricing schema, pricing condition? We have also this word schema. You remember that schema? Yeah.
Sir, pricing condition I have learned,
Mm-hmm.
schema,
Yeah. There's
pricing
a
schema.
schema is the
So
word there. Yeah.
pricing condition is that when vendor gives us
Mm-hmm.
that if you buy 100
Mm-hmm.
items, then I'll price like uh, $20 per piece, and if you buy 1,000 units, then I'll give you price like $19 per piece, like this. So in PIR, I will set the pricing conditions.
Okay, very good. So the pricing condition is this is the condition types, the gross price, this price, that price. You know, we will set up this. Yeah, and when you are doing the PIR, you're going to select one of the condition types there. Yeah, so this is the known as the pricing condition. You know, you say price each condition type, and this is like a calculator: gross price minus discount minus this plus whatever. That is how you're getting the pricing. This is known as pricing condition. Yeah, the condition type. Okay. So we'll learn that in a separate class. But today, Ravi is going to show in the purchase info record. There is also that pricing is there in purchase info record also. Okay, so now let's go back that learn about the difference between schema and partner schema and partner function. Yeah, it's like a grouping part going on. Same concept as in the supply in the pricing is same here. So let's look into that. So three things I'm going to show together: assign partner function to account group. That's the one thing we'll do that. The second one we will do that: define partner schemas to supplier master. Yeah, because that's a vendor master you are assigning it in the BP. I already showed you where you are defining that. So we'll do that. And then we have assign partner schema to account group. Okay, and then that's it. Yeah, only three of them to goes together. So let's go or do all the three together, so you will understand how they are going on. Okay, let's do these three together. Okay, so assign partner function to account group. Now you all know the account group. We have account group here, so you know that. Yeah, define partner schemas to supplier master. You know already the supplier master we have created. Yeah, that's a number you know already. I'm taking using this number. Yeah, and then assign partner schema, define and then assign to the account group. So you are defining a schema, assigning to the partner group, and you are assigning. So to the account group, this is the account group. You are doing what? You are assigning partner function and partner schema. You are defining first these two things, and then once you define this, then what you are doing, you are assigning it to account group. Yeah, and we already have this created the account group ng00. Everybody followed this. Now we'll see in the SAP how you do that. Yeah, so define, and then assign. Okay, so now let's go back to the SAP side. Let me see this. Let's use this guy. Okay, SPRO again, SPRO. Now we are in the material management. Then we are purchasing. Then we have partner determination. Where is partner determination down? Yeah, this guy, partner determination. Okay. Always remember material management, purchasing, partner determination. Yes. Then we have partner roles. Then you have defined permissible partner roles per account group. Okay. Yeah, this guy. Okay. So you have this is your partner function and this is your account group. You see. So if I want to have my partner function as ordering address OA, you see, this is my partner function OA, and I can assign to my whatever the account group I have. Yeah, this is the account group. Yeah. Does it have our account group? What is our account group? NG00. Nabi, have you assigned this? NG00?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. You see, OA assigned to NG00. Yeah, so she has done that thing. Very good. So okay, we just keep one for the demo purpose. The remaining you can create and assign. Okay, so this is the one which is assigned. Okay, so you got the partner function OA. Yeah, I got the partner function OA for the demo here. Is OA, and then we have assigned to the account group NG00, which you see here. Okay, this is the assignment part, but we have to define it also. Yeah, so let's go and see the definition part. Where is this OA defined? Okay, let's go back here. Okay, other ones you can also see, but let's get the first one done. Okay, then you have defined okay, so SPRO, material management, partner determination, partner setting in supplier master record, this one. So you got the partner role here, and now you have partner setting in supplier master record, and then you have defined partner schemas. Yeah, defined partner schema, this one. Okay, if you don't want to clarify the concept of partner schema and partner function, read this document. Yeah, it will help you to clarify. You can define in this step you define the partner determination schemas. Partner schemas allows you to group various partner roles. You can specify that certain roles in a schema are mandatory, cannot be changed. You can have the option of defining different partner schemas at different data retention level, blah blah blah. So what you understood from the partner schema, as I was saying, it is same as the pricing schema, where you are grouping the different condition types together. Similarly, the concept here of partner schema is that, for example, I have different partner functions. Yeah, I have different partner function, ordering address, sold to address, invoicing address, blah blah. Yeah, I have different partner functions. Can I assign all of them to one? Can I group all of them under one partner schema? Okay, I'm grouping all. So I, instead of assigning one by one each partner function, I can just go and assign a partner schema. ठीक है, रबिया याद आ गया वो प्राइसिंग में आपने ये वर्ड कहाँ देखा था? ग्रुप करने में काम आता है ये, है ना? You can group them.
Sir, a schema is mainly a procedure to set the like conditions in pricing, and in partner schema the this is the procedure to set the rules or like for different partners, like ordering address, invoicing party, or determine who is involved in purchasing or invoicing.
Exactly. So you have that. So you can instead of assigning one by one each partner function to a vendor, you have a flexibility of using the assigning the partner schema. Here you see you assign the partner function to the account group. Yeah, and then you are defining a partner function and you are assigning the partner schema to the account group. You see, you're doing that one, so that it will help you to group all of them together. ठीक है श्रीनिवास, समझ में आ गया? श्रीनिवास, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You're following that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very good. This is a very common partner function. Is very common. Okay. Invoicing party. Okay. The remaining we will do later, but let's do the first one. And you know that it is okay. So now you go back and here you are this one partner schema. So you're defining the partner schema here. You see partner schemas, all the partner schemas are here. Yeah, and then if you want to know under this partner schema, where is my, because I don't know, I'm saying that, hey, I want a partner schema and I'm grouping all of them under this partner schema. So okay, so how I know which one is that? So you go here, you see. No, not this guy. Here. Yeah. So you see, this is my partner schema. I click here and I double click here. You see, I will see all of the. Okay, Srinivas. I know under
Yes,
this
sir.
partner schema, I have these roles defined. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This partner function defined, not roles. Partner function. Yeah. So partner schema is helping me to group the partner functions together. Everybody understood now? Yeah. Helping me to group that. Yeah.
So,
And
the
yeah.
schema it is going to take as a only grouping.
Grouping.
But but within that partner function, okay, the pricing conditions will come, right?
That is separate. I'm just giving, because what happened, SAP is using the same language. That's why I'm giving you the language part here. Yeah. SAP has used this language of schema in pricing also. Pricing determination procedure, pricing schema. It has used those words there. So,
Yes.
and here it has used the word partner determination procedure, partner schema. You see, it has used the word here, and same word it has used in pricing side, saying pricing determination procedure, pricing schema. It has used the same. I'm trying to tell you that when SAP uses the word, it tries to use it in many places.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, I'm trying to tell you that always remember, schema means grouping, whether it's grouping of the partner functions or in the pricing side is grouping of the condition types. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, it will help you to remember. Otherwise, you in the interview somebody asks that and you forget it. If you remember a schema and its concept, you can answer the vendor side and you can answer the pricing side. You can easily go around and say, hey, this is what it means. Yes, and you will never get problem. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, understanding the SAP language is important. And then SAP never changes the language. It will use the same language in all the places, whether you go to the SD module or MM module or PP module or this module, that module, within the S4HANA or within the ECC is going to use the same language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I do is that whenever I see the word, I try to see where this guy has used all these words. Yeah. So then you get confident in this. See, now you see what I have done. This is my partner schema. Yeah. So I will put the word 1947 here. Okay. And no, it is all here. Yeah. This is the so the tax party, the vendor invoicing party here is PI. So I will just put the PI here. And the good supplier is GS. Everybody understood now? Partner function, partner schema, blah, blah, is also known as partner determination procedure. Nabia, clear concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So you all followed this part, this part. Okay. Let's go back. So now, you know that I'm using this one as an example here, but you know how to create that. You can create, copy as, you can have your own partner function, you create your partner schema, all that thing you can do. So we are good with that part now. Let's go back here. So you have assign partner function to account group. We have done that. Yes. Yeah, we have done that. Define partner schema to supplier master. Define partner schema, like we got that number 1947. Yes, we did that. Assign partner schema to account group. Let's do that, guy. Yeah, assign partner schema to account group. Yeah, we know the account group here. Let's go here. Okay, assign partner schema to account. This is the last one. Yeah, this one. So click here. Now I know my account group and my partner schema. So let's go my account group. What is my account group here? My account group is NG00. You see, account group is NG00, and then the partner schema used here is the NG00. So maybe Navia has the NG00. Let me go back and see NG00. If she has that, I will use that one. The partner schemas here, NG00. Okay, I have the NG00. I will use that one. Let me see what it has inside. Okay, these are the ones it has. Perfect. So Nabia, you have created that one. Yeah, you remember? Okay. Okay, so ordering address is good. Delivering plant. This is DP. Okay, and then we have the invoicing party is PI. Same. Okay, good, Nabia. That's what you have. Yeah. Okay. So you got that thing done, and now you go back here, and okay. So now you are assigning the partner schema to the account group. You know the account group NG00, and you are assigning the partner schema NG00 to the account group, which is exactly what we have done it. So you have connected all of them together. Yeah. So this is the one you have. This is the last step in the that side, your partner schema side. If you make your notes like this, the way I am doing it, you will never have problem. Then you will, whenever you do the practice, next time when you do it, or you are in a project, you know exactly to follow your notes and then replicate it at the client side, whatever. Okay. Always make sure you make your notes like this. See, once I'm done with this, I'm going to save in the Google Drive for all of you. But I would highly recommend that when you do your own configuration, follow the steps, do it, take the screenshot, put it there so you remember what you have done. Okay. Okay, good. So you got that done. So now you have assigned this one and you are done. So okay, the last one here, I see here the step is, this is all done now. And now we have the number 12 is define payment terms. Okay, the payment terms, define payment terms, and this is also in the material management side of it. So if you go here in this one, purchasing side, and you go here, see this one here, payment terms, Srinivas. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so we need to configure the payment terms. Then we come here and then we drop down and select the one we have created. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's what we are doing now. Yeah, we have to create this guy, like whatever this number, whatever, we will create that, and then we come to our business partner vendor, and then we come here and select that one. Okay, so here you are selecting, but configuration is done in the another place. Okay. Okay, so let's learn that part. How you do that? Define payment terms. Okay. Mushfiq, you are still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Dr. Bhai.
Enjoying this whole thing? You're going good with till now? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So SPRO, material management, last step in this one is payment term. We have many other in core term, this term. I'm not going too much detail, but at least we have covered 80% of the core, which is very important for business partner. Synchronization is important, number range is important. We have covered a lot of good things. Okay, so now payment terms, SPRO, material management, purchasing, exactly same place. Supplier master, this guy is here. Yeah. And then define payment term, this one. Yeah. See, it has Incoterms also. We can define the Incoterms also here. We have defined Incoterms or check Incoterms. Once we define or check Incoterms, we define the Incoterms, whatever we are selecting, then we can come here and we can select the Incoterm. That's it. Configuration is done there. Selection is done here. Incoterms, you don't create your own Incoterms. This is all industry standard global Incoterms. You never create your own. You just come and select based on the customer requirement. Customer say, I have this, I have this. You do that whole in the workshop in the Excel file, and then you configure it, setting up whatever the client asked you for each vendor. Okay, never create your own vendor. Always use the same for the Incoterm. That's why Incoterms is easy. Okay, payment terms. Definitely, each vendor will have their own payment terms. So what you have to do, you need to work with the client in the workshop and say, hey, let's discuss about the payment terms. And now I'm going back here, and here is the defined payment terms. Okay, so this is the payment terms. You see, this is the number which will show up. This 001, 002, blah blah. All these configurations are done. You see all this BA. So once you create your own payment term, then you save it there, and then you come here and you go to the change option here. You see, switch from this to change. You see, and then you come here and then you drop down and you select the payment term you have created. Yeah, so this is how it goes. Okay, very good. Let's go back here, and you are saying that so this is so you go here, change payment terms, and you say, hey, my payment term is TI01. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now you have the account type is what? Supplier or customer. You say it's a supplier account type. Okay, and then you have setting the payment terms like, hey, what percentage you want them to give. You say that, hey, I want 50% to pay within 10 days, and the remaining 50% I want to customer to I want to. This is the supplier side. The supplier is telling you the payment term. You are not telling the supplier. Okay, remember that. This is supplier side. Supplier is telling you, give me 10% within 10 days, give me 50%, and within 30 days, give me the remaining 50%. Whatever the supplier is saying, you need to put all that in Excel, and then you have to configure it for the vendors. Okay, for the supplier. Okay, so I'm saying that, hey, this is the payment term TI01, blah 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 for the supplier. Okay, all that remaining I don't want to do it now, but you understood that, and I save it here. You see, it's saying only specify sales term or payment terms for the customer. So let's only specify sales tax for payment terms for the customer. Oh, okay. So it is saying here, 50%, 10 days, 50%, 30 days. Why is not giving me a hard time? Okay, let's see this guy. What the heck is this guy going? Sales tax for payment terms and okay, 1 second. Description of the payment terms. Okay. So what is the description of the payment terms here I have? Let me see. This is what it will come. This payable immediately within 14 days. This within 10 this within 14 payable immediately. Okay. So here we have the sales text.
Sir, I think once we purchase the any material, raw material, the
Then
supplier has to pay that sales tax.
no, this is a text, TEXT, not tax. Text,
Okay.
TEXT, text. Yeah, this is different.
Text. Okay.
Yeah, this is text. Yeah, this is just the language coming in there. It is giving me a hard time, but I think no, I go with the payment terms. Go back to
आसिफ
that.
भाई ये जो आप लिख रहे हो ना सेल्स टैक्स में वो
हाँ।
नीचे वाली फील्ड में आएगा.
ओ इसमें आएगा, सेकंड पेज में आएगा. हाँ, ये जो फिल
No,
करना
no,
है.
go back, please.
Okay, let me go again here, and
Yes,
then
own explanation.
own explanation. So here, let me put this again. 50% 10 days, and another remaining 50% in within 30 days. Okay, and then you write it here. Own explanation
Yes, great.
within within 10 days, 50%, and then we have within 30 days, we have 50%. Okay, let me see now.
Yeah, it won't give you any errors.
Yeah. Percentage rate in the descending order.
So it should be less than first one.
Why is 50,000? No, this isn't 50,000. It should be 5. Let me see. The number is what? Format is 50. So what is this? 5 is what? Oh, this is a comma. Okay, so 5%. Okay, so let's go here. So that was right. 50% is right. Yeah. This is a comma. It's 50% is right. Okay, I got that. Enter percentage rates in descending order.
So
Why?
it should be, sir,
Ah,
it should be, the first one should be high, the second one should be less. You
both
take
are
it
same.
30.
No,
No,
both are same.
the both are same, but it is not going to allow, I think.
Okay, let me go one more time. Okay, that's interesting. It should have. Okay, so go here, take this guy out, and then we have installment payments. Yeah,
Yeah,
installment
you
payment.
can keep 70% within 20 days.
70% within 20 days.
Yeah, and
30%
yeah, within
within
next
30 days. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, and then we write
And
here.
yeah,
So now we
just
write
you
it
can
within 20 days, 70%. Yeah. And within 30 days, 30%. Okay, now good.
yeah.
Okay. Do not enter
It
any
is a
terms or
it
yeah,
is a warning, sir.
it's a
It's
word.
a
No,
warning.
no problem. Yeah.
No
Okay,
problem.
let
Yeah,
enter
you
that.
can say.
Okay, save it. Do not enter any terms for holdback retainage terms of payment. Where is that holdback retainer here? Fixed day supplier. Do not enter any. For holdback, hide enter no default, fixed days, fixed month. This is the one I think is still the problem is here. Oh no, it came. Okay. It came. So TI01 is saved. Yeah. Okay. So now let me see here. TI01. What it is showing like. That's interesting. TI01. Okay, see here. Within 20 days, 70%, within 30 days, 30%. Yeah, you got that? Yeah. So that configuration is good. It worked. So you have that payment terms. You have created the payment terms. Okay. And then you have here. Okay. So now you know that this is the okay. So you have that one. You come here and then you have maybe it will show up here. Oh, sorry. TI01. Okay. Okay, this one within 20 days, 70 within. Yes, Srinivas, it worked. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, sir.
so
Yes.
this is the payment terms. We saved it, and it is good. We got. Okay, so I think we have covered most of the. So this is assign is done, and this is done. Okay, you all are good now with the with the business partner and its details, its configuration and all that thing. You all are good now. Yeah. And when we are doing the transaction side, the special procurement, purchasing, different types of purchasing, blah blah, what we will do, we will keep on going back here and reading all that. If I tell you one by one, all these you will forget in one day. Yeah, like all these things. But when we are doing the business use case and we are coming back and we are setting it here and I'm telling you what it means, you're going to remember much more longer. Okay. Well,
Yes,
so
sir.
so let's keep it like that. I have to cover, always make sure you remember that you need to cover all the, mostly I have covered, like I've covered order acknowledgement already. I told you what does this guy means to you. I've covered what is that, pricing we'll cover later. I have covered this is also we'll cover later. So yeah, so I have covered some of that, and the remaining, when we are in that area, we'll do that. Like plant delivery time, I have explained to you. Purchasing group, I have explained to you. Unit of measure, I have explained to you. Rounding profile, I have to tell you what does this mean. So there are many things we have already covered, but definitely you need to remember that we need to cover all of these. So this is the core expertise. When you're setting up the automatic purchase order, you need to select this configuration. So when we are doing auto PO, of course we'll come back and we select this one. Yes, so that's why I'm keeping this here. So when we are doing those things like settlement profile, we do the settlement profile. For ERS, we'll come back and select here. Like all those things, we are coming and doing it here. For now, if I go tell you, then it's not going to help you all. But having said that, whatever is here is very important. Okay, very important. Another thing I covered this one. Another thing I want to cover, this is advanced topic, but we'll cover it for sure, which is the vendor sub range. If you want to divide a group of items by a different vendor sub range, we can do it by plant. We'll learn about that, how you are assigning different uh, category of the product for each plant within the same vendor, creating a vendor sub range. I have covered this in the previous class, previous course. I will cover that again. This one topic is remaining. I will cover it maybe tomorrow. I think I should cover this topic. But other than that, I think we are very good with the business partner, which is a very heavy topic. Okay, now Nabia, not Nabia. Nabia will be run away. Nabia, not Nabia. Rabia. Rabia, you want to show the demo of the purchase info record? I'm going to come out of this system. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let you do that, and then tomorrow I'm going to do more explanation about the purchase info record and source list and quota arrangement, all that thing. But let's end the class today with the demo from Rabia about purchase info record. Yes, Rabia, you can. I have switched off. You can take it. Yeah. I have to leave. It was already okay. No problem, buddy. Take care, Mushfiq. Wassalam. Okay, it's summer in Pune, sir. I feel this is okay. Okay, good. Okay. Aksa, how are you? Aksa बोलेगी अच्छा सर मेरा नाम नहीं ले रहे कौन चक्कर में फंसे सर सर के सर तो पागल है काम पकड़ा देगा हमको हाँ अक्सा अक्सा अच्छी बच्ची पढ़ाई करती है लेकिन इधर आ नहीं रही है एसएपी के साइड में हाँ अक्सा okay, very good. Yeah, please share your screen. Vishwa, everything is going good? You're learning?
Yes, sir, I'm learning.
Okay, very good.
Following the videos and
Yeah.
notes.
You is a good is adding value to your what you are doing. This is going to help you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I think for now and future it should help.
It will help. Yeah, keep learning. This is we are known as a knowledge worker. What we are known as? Knowledge worker. Yeah, we are knowledge worker. We are not physical worker. We are knowledge worker. And what the knowledge worker does? Increase knowledge.
Increase.
Yes, agree?
Yeah.
Physical worker, what they do? Physical worker, they go to gym. Huh? What knowledge worker do? They come to my class. Okay, Rabia, please take care. Yeah, we can see your screen. It's all good. Yeah. Yes.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present purchase info record in SAP S/4HANA. So it is basically the process in which when we are going to buy something for the first time from any vendor, then we will create a purchase info record in our system. So it is basically between material and the vendor. All the details we enter in this in the system are related to the vendor, and we use the T codes for purchase info record are ME11 to create purchase info record, and to edit it we use ME12, and to display this ME13, and to log in ME14, and if we want to delete the purchase info record, then we will use the T code ME15, and for a deletion proposal we use ME16, and for sending PIR record or print it, then we will use the T code ME18. So we will use this data to create PIR, purchase info record, in the system. So we have to use supplier number 203 and material number 21. And we will use plant 8001 and purchasing organization 8002. So let's go into the system. Sir, this is Sachin one.
Yeah. That's the one. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yes. Yeah. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the path I have to show you in logistics. Then material management, purchasing, and in purchasing in master data. Here is the info record. So here are the T codes we can see. We can open the screen by clicking on this, and we can also use this T code, ME11. So the supplier is 203 and material is 21. Let me check. Purchasing organization is 8002. And plant is 8001 or 2. 1. So if we want to create a purchase info record without material number, we can create it. But we have to enter a material group in the general data. Then the purchase info record with this vendor for all the materials that relate to that group, that specific group. But we are creating with this specific material. So we are entering this number. And this is the purchasing organization that is used to purchase this material from the vendor. And if we don't want to enter the plant, we only enter the purchase organization, then the purchase info record will be used for all plants that are connected to the purchasing organization, for this particular purchasing organization. But we are entering plant also, so this purchasing info record will be related to the this purchasing organization and to this particular plant. So here are the info category. Like we can create this purchasing info record for the standard purchasing, and for subcontracting, and also for pipeline and consignment. So today we will create for the standard one. After entering this data, we will press enter. In this screen, all the data is shown which we have entered in the previous screen, like material number and supplier. And here we can enter the supplier data that if he say, we will enter the data to remind the supplier for the delivery or for the delivery date, like 2 days. One reminder will be sent after 2 days, and after that, one reminder will be sent after 10 days. And after that, third reminder will be sent after 15 days. So this all data related to the supplier, like supplier material number. If we are in our system, our material number is 21. But if the supplier have another number for this material, and he gave us that enter this material for purchase order, then we will enter that number here. And these are supplier sub ranges and sort number. These all numbers are related to the supplier side. So he will give us, and we will enter all those data according to his documents. Here we can enter salesperson or contact person, his contact number, and return agreement. Like if we want to return something, and then the agreement is settled between the supplier and the company, we will enter here. So here are the certification related to this material. If supplier gives us, then we will enter here. And valid to means these all these conditions which we are going to rules or conditions purchase info record in which we are going to enter, we will enter here the specific date, validity date. Region and number and manufacturer, these all numbers are related to the specific material that belongs to vendor master or vendor or supplier. And here are the conversions measure, purchase order unit of measure, like 1 kg is equal to 1 kg. But if there is configuration of like 1 bag is equal to 10 pieces, that will come here automatically. After entering all the data, we will press enter. Then this screen will appear. Here we can enter like a planned delivery time, like it can be 1 day or 2 days, like transit time from supplier's warehouse to our warehouse. So standard quantity which we want to buy, like 10 kg, it is in kgs, so we will buy 10 kgs. Minimum quantity, like we will buy 100 kgs standard quantity, and minimum quantity we can enter that we can buy from him like 10 kgs. And we can also enter here a shelf life, like this is important field when the product is like perishable products or uh, some type of product that like expire very fast, then we will enter the shelf life here. So shipping instructions, if we have any, then we will enter here. And maximum quantity we can order from this supplier, like 1000 kg. And here our tolerance under delivery, we can enter here 5% or 10%, that if we order 100 kgs and he will send us 90 kgs, then we will enter here 10%. And if he send us 110 kgs, then we can also like enter 10% here. So we can choose this. If we enter here tolerance rate, then we will unlimited, we will not mark this unlimited, because when we mark this unlimited, then this tolerance rate will not work. Whatever the supplier will send us, we have to receive this. So the GR based invoice, like whatever the goods will be sent from the supplier, invoice will be according to the goods received. Unit of Meyer group, if there is any group, then we will enter here. And all auto source means if we flag this field, it means when we run MRP, then automatically PO is generated. Here we can enter text code and the net price, like per kg, if he is giving us 15 euros for 1 kg, we can enter here. And here we can enter if there are any Incoterms, location and address, etc. And press enter. Here are quotation means if there is any quotation number that we have sent the supplier RFQ and he gave us prices and we have maintained the quotation, we can enter here. This is the conditions button. We will press this. There is the gross price, what we have entered 15 euros per kg. These tabs show like header data, supplier, material number, purchasing organization, plant, category, standard PO, which we have entered in the first screen. And this is very important, scales. Click on scales. And then here we can enter, like if there is any condition from the supplier that he gave us some discounts, like on quantity base. If he says that for the 100 kgs, I'll give you 15 euros per kg, then we will, then this price will be set. And if he says, if you buy like 500 kgs, then I'll give you price for 1 kg is 14.5. And if we buy 100,000 kgs, then he will give us more discount, like he will give us per kg at 14 euros. Enter these prices and press enter. Now we can save this from here and we can see all the settings. So the purchase info record has been created with this number. Sir, I don't know a PO has been created or not. If I use this like data, how it works.
So you created the info record,
Yes, sir.
Rabia? Okay,
Yes.
you want to create a purchase order? You want to see?
Yes, sir. I want to create purchase order, but there I have tried, but
Okay, see
I
now
have
let's
faced
see
error.
the error. Then I will work on it after that.
Okay.
Let me just see what error is coming. Then I will work on it. Yeah, we'll. And I will explain all these what Rabia is showing. There's so many things I have to explain here in purchase info record. But I will do that tomorrow. So tomorrow's class, purchase info record, source list, quota arrangement, will be a long class. Again, I'm going to explain to you each and everything. There's so many things here to explain. Yeah. So just see the demo, get a feeling of it. Today, the demo is the purpose is to get a feeling of it. What are the variables, how you are setting it, where it is used, get a feeling, so that when I explain to you and do the configuration and all that, then you can easily follow me. Okay. And then Rabia will do the demo of source list and quota arrangement also. Then I will explain the configuration and the business side of it. Okay. This is how Rabia and I will continue in this area. And then future we see Nabia and Afifa. Let me know if you want to join me on the transaction side. Then we can work. Okay, Nabia, Afifa.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe I have entered supplier number
Okay.
and material and
Okay.
quantity.
Okay. Very
Now
good.
I'll check.
Yeah. Check. Let's see what is coming. Okay. Purchase order still contains faulty item. That's okay. Unable to determine the calculation schema. Okay. So the pricing is a problem. Go down in the pricing side, in the bottom, in the bottom, your conditions in the condition side. Yeah. Then down there, conditions. In the conditions. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Select. You have this here, PB00. That's so that's is there. PV00 is there. Okay. The gross price. Okay, this should go away. Then what is the second one you have? In case of electric, please enter the tax code, lower price. Okay, only one tax code problem. Okay, go back to the tax
Yes, that
code.
is no problem.
Okay, just select the tax code. That's okay. Go to the tax code. Where is that guy gone? If I saw that now. Okay, select the, where is that? Where is that? Click on the tabs. You click on the tabs. So tax. No, I think I saw that. Check invoice. It is there. Yeah, this one. Okay, drop down this guy. Okay, drop down. Okay. Okay, select here input tax. No, not output, input tax. Scroll down, please. Okay, keep going down. Yeah, okay, hold on. Okay, select this guy. Yeah, select this guy. Yeah. Okay, double click. Okay, enter. See how it goes.
Error is gone.
So, sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, save it now. Save it.
Sir, I have to show this.
Oh,
Like if
yeah,
you
yeah,
see
yeah.
that-
Yeah,
yes,
change the quantity and
purchase
see the price.
information.
Yeah, change the quantity. So
Yes,
what
sir.
price is coming now? 15 coming. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
okay, now change the quantity and see whether discount is coming or not. Yeah. Okay. Change the quantity. Make it 500.
So I have entered 15 price
Yeah.
for 100 kgs, and for 500 I have entered
14.5. Yeah, 14.5,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. Let's see whether it's pulling that 500, 14.5, 500, 500, 500, 500, 10. Okay, good. Yeah, let's enter. Okay, perfect. 14.5 is
Yes.
coming. Yeah. And now
Yes, sir.
increases to 1000. See whether it's checking the price scale is working. The last one you have is
Yes, sir.
14.
It's working.
So enter 1000 here. Okay, 1000. Enter. Perfect.
14.
See?
Yes, sir.
So the
So the purchase info record is working.
mhm,
Like he's looking up the price what we have supplier have given us. So
mhm,
we have entered in the purchase info record.
mhm,
So directly we enter the supplier number and material and the quantity
mhm.
and the price that is sir, what can I say, has been
The price scaling is working, and
yes, sir.
the volume discount given by the supplier is showing up in the purchase order. Yeah, the volume
Yes, sir.
discount. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
what others you have set there? Click on your the header data. Go to the header data. What other things is coming in the info record here? Yeah, that is
Purchase.
the one. No, payment terms. Click on the payment terms on the right side. Yeah. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. Okay. This is no, not the.
Sir,
This
I
is payment
haven't
process.
yes,
No,
sir.
the
I
payment terms.
haven't
Where is the payment terms coming here? Drop down and see payment terms. You have set the payment terms in info record. Yeah, I'm seeing that. Where is it in the down? See here. Scroll to the right. Drop down to the right side. The drop down. Yeah. Okay.
sir, I
Uh,
haven't entered any
oh
Incoterms.
no, no, not the Incoterm. The payment term. I think. Oh no, not the payment terms. The reminders. You have entered the reminder. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Click on the
Uh,
delivery schedule. Where is the reminder comes here? You have entered reminder. I saw that. You click
yes,
on the
sir, I have entered
yeah. Click on the
reminders.
delivery schedule. I think is it in the delivery schedule or where it is? Yeah, delivery. You see the
Yes,
reminder is
sir.
coming. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
what you
2
have
days.
entered. Yeah. This is what you have
Yes, sir.
entered. Okay. Very good.
10
Yeah.
days and 15 days.
Yeah. I
Yes, sir.
remember you have entered in this in the info record. Yeah. It is showing up
Yes,
here
sir.
in the delivery tab. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Here is another way when automatically purchase info record
Mm-hmm.
has been created in the system. That is
Mm-hmm.
when we uh, create first time PO to the vendor. Like
Uh-huh. Yeah.
after that, then in like I have to show material data.
Yeah.
If we flag this
Info update.
this field,
Yeah.
info update, if we flag this and save our PO without any without creating any purchase info record, then the purchase info record already be saved in the system
It will automatically create for you. Yeah.
automatically created.
Yeah, exactly. Because if you forgot to create an info record and you're creating a purchase order and you have check mark this, automatically it will create an info record for. Of course, you have to go and update it, but at least it's created something for you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Show me the delivery master material data left side. You have entered the remaining shelf life. I think I want to see where it is.
Sir, I haven't entered shelf life.
Oh no, you
But
didn't enter the shelf life. Oh, okay, okay,
no.
okay. Okay, so this is good. Thank you, Rabia. Very good presentation. So tomorrow we're going to go more detailed configuration and all the details, different types of purchase info record and all that. We'll do that, and then tomorrow morning we will do that 10 to 11:30, and then we come back at 12:30, and then you show the demo for source list and quota arrangement. Okay, Rabia.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
and then
sir.
I will cover that. Anything else you see here you want to cover in the demo tomorrow, you can continue tomorrow at 10 o'clock if you want to show something more here,
Yes, sir.
like PIR log or something you want to
Yes,
show.
sir. These are not very things, but we can edit
Yeah,
PIR with like ME12 and
yeah.
ME13 to display this, and these are like common
Yeah,
things.
exactly. One thing you can definitely pull Rabia tomorrow for this one is the tables. Yeah, tables are very important.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
List down your tables for info record, and then tomorrow when we start the class, show the tables, and then I will go into the configuration. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
sir.
Very good class. Hope you all enjoyed. It's a long class, always a long class in our, we have so much to cover. And so thank you, Rabia, and thank you everybody. I'm going to save this and upload in YouTube for those who have not attended. And please watch recording. And tomorrow's class is at 10 o'clock. We're going to have 10 to 11:30, and we take a 1 hour break, and we come back at 12:30 to 2. We have to and then we will cover info record, source list, quota arrangement. Tomorrow I'm going to do the end of the master data, so that from Monday onwards we will have a class on Monday, we will class on Wednesday. So we will have weekdays classes Monday, Wednesday, and then Saturday, Sunday. So from Monday onwards, I want to start the different types of PO documents, and we get more detail on the transaction side, and that also is very, very important. Pricing determination and many other things. So we go in the transaction. Master data is tomorrow is the last date. So if you want to capture the master data part of it, from lecture 1 to lecture, today is lecture 12. From lecture 1 to lecture 13, we have covered all the 13 lecture. Can you believe? And I think total number of hours may be more than 20 hours total. So from lecture 1 to lecture 13 is all master data, from enterprise structure to tomorrow. So if you want to get a 20 hours of understanding of only the SAP S/4HANA master data from perspective, you can watch the first 20 hours and you will be very good in that. If you want to learn the transaction side, then go from the Monday class is all transaction is starting. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Srinivas. Thank you, Imranullah bhai.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Vishwa.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir. Thank
see
you,
you,
sir.
see you
Bye,
tomorrow.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
okay, God office. Okay, bye bye.
And I have some